The land is with us now, Kundaim Industrial Estate. We have a land of for this facility, and immediately we are planning to start. So 12 crores is the estimate which we have done. Coming meeting, the next meeting we will approve all this. We have asked environmental clearance, pollution control board, सगळे आमचे inspection been complete जाल्ले आहा. The public hearing is जाल्ले आहा तेजेर, आणि we are awaiting this environmental clearance. The minute we get, we will float the expression of interest if it is under boot. So the final meeting with Honorable Chief Minister is pending, whether we are going to do it under build, operate, own, transfer, or we are going to do it by Goa government. So the money will be spent directly. We'll take some funding from any of the banks, like Bank of Maharashtra has come forward to finance us for solid waste management facilities in Goa. NABARD has sanctioned us 200 crore loan for solid waste management facilities in Goa. So, since it is small amount and the land availability is with us, if the state government says no, let us put all the money, then it is state government money. We will only ask for a contractor to build a facility, and Indian Medical Association, the Goa unit, they will be part of this to run this facility.
We've done an environment impact assessment. आम्ही ताका सजेस्ट दिला एज पर आमच्या हाज्या प्रमाणे की यू गिव दॅट लँड टू IMA, Indian Medical Association, and we will build through the this our CSR activity, which ONGC is more or less ready to do. आणि ताणी जर ते केलें जाल्यार आमकां सवाय भितर पडटलें. आमी ते 4-5 कोटींनी करूं शकता. तूं भायलो आफयतलो कोण आनी ताका स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट कर आनी हें कर, तो 12 कोटी खर्च करतलो, मागीर ताका वसुली करपाक आमच्या हॉस्पिटला कडसून घेवचे पडटले पयशे. आनी हाफ द हॉस्पिटल मे नॉट गिव, आनी ते म्हणटले आमी करता म्हणटले आनी सारकें करचें ना. सो यू हॅव टू गिव समथींग वीच इज रिजनेबल प्रायस.